Hey, I'm Abe, and today we're going to be talking about mortgage or discount points. When researching your mortgage options, you may see people refer to points, and this is mortgage points, discount points, and points are a way for you to pay the bank for a lower interest rate than otherwise would normally be available to you. And this is something the lender would have to approve or offer, but it's something to be aware of. How much each point costs varies and depends on the loan amount. You can buy multiple points in many situations as well. Each point costs 1% of the loan amount, and typically it will lower the interest rate that you are getting on that loan by about 1/4%. For example, to use the example that we've been using all along, if you have an $100,000 house, you put $20,000 down, which is 20%. The loan amount is $80,000. On an $80,000 loan, 1% of that is $800. So if you could say get a 4% loan for that $80,000, you could pay the bank in addition to the down payment that you've generated, in addition to this $20,000, if you add $800 to that for the specific purpose of lowering that interest rate from 4% to 3.75%, you could take your mortgage amount, and that's just on principal and interest, from $382 per month to $370 per month. Now that doesn't sound like a lot, but $12 a month adds up over time. And so the amount of money that you would spend up front on that $800 is paid off in 5.5 years. And then everything after that, all of those $12 a month that you're saving for the last 24.5 years of a 30-year mortgage, for example, is going to add up to the point of something like $3,528. But as your loan amount increases, so does the value of each point. So if you have instead of an $80,000 loan, you have an $800,000 loan, each loan or each discount point is going to cost $8,000, right? And so on and so forth, and it adds up from there. Wednesday, we're going to take a look at mortgage closing costs because there's a lot that's baked into each of those, and it's something that you will always see at the end of your closing process. And oftentimes it can be a number that is very shocking and surprising. So the entire home buying process is a daunting one, and there are a lot of costs and fees associated with it, and a lot that goes into mortgages, as you can see over the last few videos. If you have any questions, or if you're going through it and you'd like to share your experiences, by all means, share them in the comments below. Look at the video descriptions and follow some of those links. Read up on a little bit more detail that's available, and I'll see you in the next video.